我姓王，我是一位白手起家的牛仔工厂老板。
我们在中国广州。
We have a 1,000 square factory in Guangzhou, China. As designer, our product design direction has always followed the customer, follow international demand, follow the crowd. Maybe you don't know the design of jeans, any production process, method, and logistic shipment. I personally participated and supervised it all. No matter how busy the daily workload is, I will also be in charge of sales. In this way, you can also better understand what customers want, follow the suggestions from customers to improve. My concept is not to say that your product is good when your competitors say it's good. It is that customers say it is good. Our factory mainly makes trans slim jeans, a small number of flare pad, straight leg pad, provide OEM and ODM wholesale, drop shipping and procurement service. In all this day of year being in this industry, we have already made it happen integrated self-production and research and development of products.